What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Trading Wars. Thanks for joining me today. I hope you're having a wonderful day today, guys. Today was a very good day for me. Made a lot of money. I'm going to be breaking it all down for you guys step by step, showing you the ways, giving you the education you deserve because everybody deserves education. So if you're ready, let's step into the war zone. First and foremost, let me know where you're tuning in from tonight, and let me go ahead and share your names and throw some of you guys up on the screen. Who do we have in the building today? We have Brian, what's going on? Ain, what's going on? Lori, Ramon, Trading Wars Army, Adriana, Trading Wars Army, Jeremy, Trading Wars Army. Respect all the Trading Wars Army members. Good to see you. Nandi, Alicia, Trading Wars Army, Tom, Marcelo, Trading Wars Army. Good to see you guys. All right. K Trader, what's going on? What's going on, brother? Good to see you. All right, so let's begin, my friends, and we're going to start off today with Tesla. Okay, so Tesla was my big play right off the morning. I was able to make about $1,600, so I'm going to show you guys that step by step. All right, so the first thing you want to do, guys, is you go to the Twitter. Make sure you follow Twitter because that's where I post picks every single day. So we started off today with Tesla, which is all the way down here. Okay, so $1,600 in profit on Tesla, 1686 to be exact. And this was the trade yesterday. Tesla right here. This was my top pick. So I posted this last night. It was my top pick. So let me explain why. Let's go to the daily chart. Okay, so I'll hit the replay right here. So Tesla, the first time we called out Tesla was back on the 25th. It had a big drop, and then on the 27th, which was yesterday, we had a very tight inside bar. Okay, and with that very tight inside bar, what I'm looking for the next day is a continuation, some kind of move, because generally after these inside bars, which are very tiny, small range days, we have good momentum. And the purpose of these inside bars generally is to just chop, kill option premiums. It consolidates, it traps traders, and then we come in the next day like snipers and we go ahead and crush these plays. All right, so hit me with a 1 if you're following me so far. Motivate Sage, haven't seen you in a while, brother. Bad Indie in the building, good to see you. STK, what's going on? All right, so hit me, you guys follow me there? So the inside bar is a consolidation pattern, and from consolidation we look for expansion, right? So if we hop into the Discord now, so in the trade plan bonus picks, I post the exact plans of what I'm doing, short, stop, first target. Okay, so let's go ahead here, and 88142 was our short, and let me walk you through that. So we'll go to the 5-minute chart right here. Okay, and then I'm gonna draw the trigger short. So the trigger is essentially what we're looking for is once it breaks this line, then we want to go ahead and get in short. So here's our orange line. Once we cross this orange line, we want to get short. Not until we cross the line, guys. That's the only time we want to take the trade. We don't take it before it breaks, because what we're looking for is if we can break this, that we can have a flush. First candle comes in, okay, it opens above our trigger, so we're not filled, and then we get filled right there, bam. Just, I mean, it's exceptionally beautiful, sensational, miraculous when you get these type of plays, guys. It feels so good because you hit your targets within 10 or 15 minutes, right? So boom, we broke through, and let me go ahead and put the first target here, which was 870.49, right around here. Boom. So that's the first target. And then what I like to do with the other targets, guys, is I take the Fibonacci from the previous day's high and low, like I teach in my book. I extend it out. And then what I do here, guys, is I look for these targets on the way down right here. So I look for, boom, all of these. Target, 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 target. So I don't usually go past the 1, which is the full measured move. I usually end there. Okay. And that, guys, right in the morning, that gave me a quick 1686 right off the bat. All right, man. So that was really nice. So this was, for me, this was all shares because I went in with a lot of size here and I didn't want to get any slippage in the contract. So I just hit shares this morning. Okay. Hit me with a 10 if you follow me on Tesla. So I had a really nice start to the day right off the bat. Beautiful. Lock that in. Check out the Discord, guys, for the trade plans and also the midday option power plays. We post a lot of midday option power plays that we can take based on the consolidation patterns. Okay, so that was a really nice one. All right, so let's continue. So what I want to do now is I want to go back and I want to show you this yesterday. Okay, so this is MU. Okay, so I've been sharing with you guys a new pattern, a new style of trading that I developed using the blue rain drops. Okay, so this is MU. Yesterday, I posted this April 27th at 9:21 p.m. Central. I posted this blue raindrop. And what the blue raindrop, guys, is it's a form of consolidation, right? It's similar to an inside bar, but it's different because it's not an inside bar. It's actually based on the volume weighted average price. So basically the VWAP. All right. So it's saying that basically the volume is neutral. Okay. The volume is neutral. All right. So let me pull this over here so I can show you. Guys, make sure if you use Trendspider, please do me a favor and ask to sign up under my affiliate program. It really helps me out a lot. It doesn't cost you anything. All right. Just let them know you want to be with Rich, and it helps a lot. Oh, I think I had 1 sec. I think I had a problem with this account. I'm gonna pull up the other one. 1 second. Sometimes I have some issues with my different workspaces. Okay, so here we go. So here's MU. So there was the raindrop from yesterday, and there was the breakout today. So now let's go ahead into the into Tradingview so I could draw the levels here for you guys. So we wanted to go long at 68.27. So let me go ahead and draw that for you guys. So these plays are pretty much lottos. Okay. So right at the open, guys, we filled it and we took a little bit of heat. Don't get me wrong. We took some heat, came back. This is a W trigger. If you guys look closely, you can see a W here. So a W trigger is when we break the level 3 times. So we broke the level once, we broke it twice, and then we came back again for a third attempt and we crushed it. So normally, right, with these plays, the more times you hit on that level of resistance, the weaker that resistance gets until the point eventually where you go ahead and you just crush through it. And that's exactly what we had with MU. So MU was a really, really nice one. I gave that one for you guys for free. Let's see what's on the map for tonight. So let's look at blue raindrop. Let's scan it quickly. Let's see if there's anything that stands out to me. I only put ones that I trade and I know are good. Like none of these I will suggest because I don't trade these stocks. So I wouldn't so there was not going to be any raindrop picks for tonight. But make sure you follow the Twitter and the YouTube to get the raindrop alerts. All right. So there we go. So that was Tesla, was the big boy. MU was another great one. And now we're going to go into SPY, and I'm going to walk you through the SPY commentary on the day and how we did with SPY. Okay. So remember, going into today, I'm going to go on the 3-minute chart. Going into today, we had Facebook earnings last night. Okay. And with the Facebook earnings, we had some momentum because Facebook did really well. Facebook is a part of the NASDAQ and the SPY. So obviously, if that has positive earnings, it's going to affect the market. Okay, so here we go. So let me go to the live commentary and I'll walk you guys through everything that we did in SPY this morning. So first thing, good morning all. SPY big gap up here off of Facebook earnings, still inside. I will let you know if we're going to take an orb. So we went ahead, guys, and we went long. We went short at 8:34 Central, which is 9:34. So all I did here, guys, was a 3-minute opening range breakout. So let me walk you through how to do that. So the first candle comes in, boom. So why would I be interested in taking an orb on this candle? Can you guys help me out? What do you guys think? Brainstorm with me. Why would I want to take an orb here? Why would I want to take an orb? Think about it for a second. So I want to take an opening range breakout, guys, because here we go. Look at this candle right here. Do you see how we broke the high of yesterday by some pennies and we turned around? So this was greedy new traders, rookies that are buying breakouts. They get punished right there. Okay. So once I saw this candle come in, now I say, okay, this candle can have a good bit of momentum to the downside here because the bulls, that the new traders, the rookies, they're trapped and their stop losses can get run. Okay. So we went short here right when this candle low broke right there. Boom. So we got short right there. So what I like to do is use the Fibonacci on the candles like this. And I use all of these targets as my profit taking. All right. So full disclosure for me today, I got out at around 420.70. I got out a little early today. I wish that I held a little bit more, but a lot of people in the room just held it all the way. I wish that I held it a little more. So you'll see I give the commentary here. So I went short. Okay, hate the chop. So we were chopping a bit. So I said, boom, there we go. Lock in some here. Nice patience. Lock in some, no greed, stops at break even. I'm out. So I quickly took it off. And I think the reason why was because I already made money on Tesla. So that kind of affected my mentality. I was like, hey, I made money on Tesla. I want to just make some money on SPY and just call it right there. So I did end up making some good money on SPY here on this push down, but not as much as I could have. So, it's okay to lock in profits. I always say that no one went broke locking in profits. Hit me with a 1 if you agree with me there. No one went broke locking in profits. So in hindsight, it's always hindsight, right? But I'm still happy with what I was able to do with the plays today with the short there, and that was the only one that I took in the room, guys. And then from here, we started to pick up some steam. Okay, and I want to show you guys a little technique. Okay, I want to show you guys a little technique. It's a Fibonacci technique, and we're likely going to need to get the pen and the pad out right now. So hit me with a 10 if you're ready for that. Hit me with a pen if you're ready for that. Hit me with a pen. Hit me with the 10 if you're ready for that. I'm going to show you some fibs right here, okay? And I'm really coming close to I'm working on another strategy right now, and I can't talk about it yet because I want to make sure that it works really well before I talk about it, because I don't want to get people's hopes up and then, it doesn't work out. So anyways, so here we go. So we had the first morning leg. If we take it from the high to the low right here, this was a very shallow pullback, right? It came right around the 382. It was very shallow. It wasn't, deep. I like to usually get it on the 618 up here in this area. So it wasn't deep at all. But if we come down here, and once this leg makes a new low, if we take it now from this anchor from high to low, right here, guys, now this was a beauty right here. So we did pull back deep enough, and then we traded here to the 272. And this is where I want to get your attention. All right. So let me just show you this right here. This is where I want to get your attention. I'm going to fast forward. Okay. Okay. So let me hit the auto here. So I wanted to get your attention here, guys, because this is one of the strategies that I'm working on. It's called the Fibonacci reversal trade. And what we're doing here, guys, is we're just literally loading up on the 272. So every time we make a 272 extension, we're just buying lottos. So for example, we push, we pull back, we came here, we trade to the 272 extension of the short, buy calls. That's it. Full risk, lottos. Okay. And as you guys know, I did really well on the bull move today. I made $10,000. Okay. I'm going to show you guys. It's actually funny because we did this in real time. So we started off, we were at 5K. Okay. Then we kept going. Okay. So you'll see. So we were at 5, and then we were at 7, and then we were at 8.7, and then finally at the end of the day, boom, we hit 10. So, man, I'm gonna disclose more about this strategy a little bit more in the future, but that's basically the nuts and bolts. Hit me with a 5 if that makes you excited. Hit me with a 5. So it's literally gonna be only lotto plays, lottos. Okay. It's going to be high risk, but high reward. I'm talking about when you hit it, it's like you win the jackpot. So I wanted to show you guys that because that's something that's coming. Okay. So from there, we got the 272 extension, guys, right into the close. It was absolutely crazy. It was an amazing bull run into the close there, guys. That was nice. So there we go. So that was SPY. We did Tesla, which was my big boy. We did MU, which was my big boy. I want to show you guys something LCID. Okay. It's going to be a little bit more complex, but it's going to be a lesson in risk to reward. Is anybody up for that? Hit me with an 8 if you're up for a lesson in risk reward. I'm going to show you something on LCID. Okay. I'm going to show you that. Boom. Motivate Sage in the building with the 699. Thank you, my brother. Appreciate your support. Appreciate the super sticker. Thank you so much. Basically, guys, this month, I'm up 50% on my account. Basically, 50% on the risk that I trade with on a daily basis. I'm up 50% on that. I just did not expect that. I really didn't. I'm just super grateful that I've been able to catch some of these plays. I'm super grateful that I am, and I'm just thankful. I'm thankful for you guys too. You guys give me the motivation to get better every single day. Like when I know that I have to perform for you, when I know that people depend on me to, try different things to get better, to be the best version of myself, it inspires me. And I'm thankful for you guys because this is the 420th video that I've done. And it all started with 2 or 3 people, 5 people, 10 people. Now we're at 120 people. So thank you very much, my friends. You give me the energy that I need to keep this going. Okay. So thank you so much. All right. So let's go ahead here and we're going to talk about LCID. Okay. So we got to go back to the trade plan here and we have LCID. All right. So this is going to be a lesson on risk management. So the long was 1863. I'm going to draw that. 1863. Right. And then let me make this white. This is a little bit unlucky, to be honest. Now that I'm looking back at it, it's a little bit unlucky, but I'm going to give you guys this lesson because it's something that we all need to learn. Okay. All right. So here we go. So I took 2 plays on LCID Lucid Group. 1 play was a long and 1 play was a short. Okay. So the first play long, you guys can see my entry was 1863. The first candle's high was 1863. So that's unlucky. So it got filled and got stopped out. Okay. And basically on this play right here, we lost 400 bucks. Okay. 400 bucks minus 400. So I also have my short order open as well, 1806. So from 1806 here, guys, right here, I re-entered short. And this was all done through automated trades. I didn't even look at the chart. I was trading SPY. I didn't even look at the chart. This happened all by itself. In the morning, within the first 10 minutes, I lost 400 and then it re-entered here short for me on my short trigger and it took profits right here. I'll show you where at the 618 extension right there, right here. That was my profit target. Okay. So I got a little bit lucky with that one too because I ended up hitting the bottom. So we lost 400 on this here, guys. And we made basically, let me calculate it. We made 4 times 400, which is 1600. All right. So that's risk management 101. You see that? So I walk away with the profit. I started off long. It didn't work out. I flipped short. I hit that and I walk away with profit. Hey, Alex, I already talked about Tesla at the beginning. Yeah, I went short on that one. So there we go, guys. So that's risk management. Like, okay, as long as your winners are bigger than your losers, it doesn't matter if you lose, but that winner's got to be bigger. That's it. So you see my risk to reward ratio. I'm risking 400. I'm making 4 times that. Okay, right around there. So I rated right around 1600. All right, hit me with a 7 if that makes sense. So you got to take losses. You have to take losses. If you're not taking losses, you will be soon because no trading system is 100% accurate. So you got to take some losses. It's how gracefully you take those losers. You take those losers, you understand that when you hit your winner, it's going to be a multiple of your loser. So you're always going to make money. Okay? Remember that. That's the most important thing. So that's what I wanted to teach you there. Okay. There we go, my friends. That was the recap for today. Tomorrow is going to be a crazy day because we had Amazon and Apple earnings after hours. Obviously, Amazon didn't do so well. Tomorrow, Lotto Friday is going to be intense. And I'm going to try to do another 10K tomorrow. That's my goal. Okay. I'm not, no promises, but if I could do a 10K on a Friday, that would be really, really good. I did my 10K today. I'm hoping that I can go ahead and do another 10K tomorrow. Obviously, guys, that's based on my account size. Okay. So your 10K might be 1K or $100, whatever. The whole point is we're trying to hit it loud and in charge tomorrow. Okay. So tomorrow I'll be live in the SPY live rich commentary. We're going to be hitting SPY right off the bat in the morning. And I'm going to post the trade plans right here. Okay. So if you're interested, guys, check me out at tradingwords.com. You know what you got to do. You can grab any one of my 3 books and get 1 month for free in the room. The Fibonacci book will be going up. The price will be going up. So if you're interested, you want to grab a book with the education, you can come ahead and trade with us live tomorrow, or you can sign up right here on the main page. All right. Thank you so much. 420th video. Let's do a giveaway right now. Hit me with a 5 fast if you want to do a giveaway. Hit me with a 5 really fast if you want to do a giveaway right now, and we're going to do it. And this is to encourage you guys to make sure to leave a comment and a like on the video. I'm going to start looking at the likes. I always look at the comments, but I'm going to start looking at the likes, because really and truly, guys, if you really, really think about it, if you sit down and you get the pen and the pad out and you think about this, the lessons that I give you guys, I know personally, and you know personally, people on Twitter that are charging thousands of dollars. The free indicator that I created, the Trading Wars Golden Indicators, guys. These indicators, I've seen other people charge $600 for some bullshit indicators. These ones actually work, and it's for free. Okay? All I need is a like and a comment. That's it. That's it. I'm not hard to please, guys. Definitely not hard to please. Okay, so let me see the last videos, and I'll tell you the one that we're going to do. Okay, right here. So I'm going to pull it over here. So we're going to do this video. We're going to pick a winner from the comments on this video. Fibonacci trading, the best trading strategy of all time. So this one was a really popular video. Oh, man, free ads. What? Come on, man. So right here, 2.167 views. Very, very nice. This is one of my banger videos. So let's give this guy a like. We like everybody. So we're gonna pick a random number here from 1 to 42. Okay, and then we're gonna select the winner. So you know what? I'm gonna give you guys 2 minutes. I'll give you guys 2 minutes. Go and comment right now. Go on. I'll give you a chance. There, I send a video. Go comment, like, do whatever you need to do, and I'm gonna come back in 2 minutes. Okay. Come back in 2 minutes. Let's just chill out right now. So let's run some of our Trading War scans in Trendspider in the meantime, while you guys are liking and commenting. So what do we have here? So let's look, see if we can find some holy grails on the daily. See what we have here. BBY. Best Buy. What's been going on with Best Buy? Nice holy grail right there. The last time we had a holy grail was back here, which was a nice move. Seems like a little bit of chop though, so I'll pass on that right now. Let's look for inside hammers. See if we can find any of those. So this is the Russell. So I don't want to do the Russell. I want to do the S&P 500. Let's go. See what we got here. United Airlines. This is not bad. That looks like pretty nice inside hammer right there. That looks pretty good. So I might put that one up on the list. Let's look at the Nirvana and see. Oh, this is weekly. Let me stop that. So let me put this to daily and see. And guys, if you want these scans, if you sign up for Trendspider with my link, you'll get these scans. Okay. These are my custom scans that we built together. So no Nirvanas right now. Trendspider, hook me up with your affiliate. Boom. Thank you very much, Alicia. Appreciate that. All right, let's go. Going back here now. No free ads. What's up? Oh, no free ads. 61. What? That fast? You guys are quick, man. Holy moly. You always got to check, guys, because sometimes you're going to see some scammers, and they always do, contact me on WhatsApp. That's not me, guys. I don't do no WhatsApp. I don't do Telegram. I don't do Instagram. None of that. Okay. I used to try, but then there's too many scammers, man. Unfortunately. Okay, so are we ready now? What is this? This shouldn't count. W. Man, I'm gonna remove that, man. That doesn't count, man. What the hell is that? All right, let's do this again. Okay. 64. There we go. Random number generator. 1 to 64. 3, 2, 1. Let it rip. 21. All right. 21. Let's do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Chris NG in the building. Chris, You are the winner of the 420th video giveaway, my friend. Thank you very much for your comment and your like. And I will just DM me on Twitter. We will verify you, get you your book and your 1 month access, brother. Thank you. All right, guys. So look, all you got to do is leave a comment, leave a like. You get a chance to win. So thank you very much, guys, for your time today. And let's just finish this week strong, man. I'm so happy that we're up. And I just want to finish this week strong tomorrow. Don't do anything dumb, but also go for a win. That's the goal. Every single day we go for a win. All right. Thank you, my friends. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, sign up at tradingwars.com. Otherwise, I will see you tomorrow, or maybe I'll take a break tomorrow. Depends. We'll see. All right. Take care.